Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Finding and dealing with duplicates in Excel, a comprehensive tutorial. Duplicates in Excel can be a real headache, leading to inaccurate analysis, skewed reports, and generally messy data. This tutorial will guide you through various methods for identifying and handling duplicates, from simple highlighting to advanced VBA scripting, ensuring you can effectively clean and manage your spreadsheets. Understanding what constitutes a duplicate. Before diving into the methods, it's crucial to define what we mean by a duplicate. This depends heavily on the context of your data. Exact duplicates. This is the most straightforward case. Two or more rows are considered duplicates if all corresponding columns have identical values. For example, 2 rows with the same name, address, phone number, and email are likely exact duplicates. Partial duplicates, based on key fields. Often, you might only care about duplicates based on specific key fields. For instance, you might consider rows with the same email